Hey friends, I'm just here on the shed. You've been along on this adventure with me, and I've just come back to reminisce on just what we've done, what we've got up to, and just have a look at it all complete in all its glory. It's been great having everybody come along with us on this and being able to explain everything as we've gone. Obviously, if there's anything in these videos, if you're a kit set client and you'd like a bit more detail or to see it sort of done differently, let us know in the comments, and we're always happy to make new videos for you explaining things and just trying to refine our process, because what we do here at Waikato Sheds is we're here for the whole process, from the concrete the whole way up. So any questions you have, we're happy to help answer those and just make the whole process as seamless as possible. So yeah, I mean, and look at this, it's come up just beautifully. The black on black on black just looks fantastic with all of it. So we're really happy with this one. So we'll just have a little walk round. Waikato doors with the sectional door looks fantastic. All New Zealand colour steel. We only use New Zealand colour steel, so it's the best quality you can get. All locally manufactured and made, and all locally guaranteed. So you know that if you ever have a problem over the lifetime of it, they're going to be able to sort that out for you. Connect fastenings for all our fastenings and bolt. Marley downpipes and colour steel gutters, just everything on it. It's just all the best stuff with the best quality service you can ask for. City glass for our aluminium joinery, like this, beautiful. They've gone double glazed on this here. It's going to be a home gym, this little setup, so they want to be nice and comfortable in there while they're working out. Obviously we can just do single glazed if you want it just for a bit more of a shed, but you know, we've got all the options there. Beautiful, slide it open. So obviously as you go round, you know, we've done some different styles of flashings on things, so if you're ever not quite sure about what you're doing there, if you're doing a kit set, just let us know and we can talk through all of that with you. Another nice bit of joinery gone in here, eco foam up in there, just beautiful. It's just really come up really nice. The important thing with your sheds is you do need to clean them from time to time, just like you'd clean your car. Give it a wash down, and with the warranty on all your colour steel, you do need to clean them to keep that warranty all up to date. So well worth just giving them a wash every once in a while. I was talking to a kit set client the other day, and he'd just given it a wash and he couldn't believe how nice and bright it had come back up, just looking like new again. So well worth protecting your investment doing that. Oh, pop in. So this client's going to line this all in plywood. We've got Andy from Feature Build who built that with me. He's going to line all that for us, so it's just going to look awesome. Going to put nice thick gym mats down onto the concrete and have just an awesome gym. And you can imagine with these windows, doors open, the big sectional door open there, it's just going to be an awesome space. The sectional door is insulated, so that's quite a good thing to think about when you're putting them in. If it was just a garage, it doesn't matter, but when you want to control that temperature more, having an insulated sectional door is really worthwhile. And then just all our beautiful New Zealand steel everywhere in here, super strong and durable. So it's awesome for coming along on this journey with us all, and just, you know, get in contact with Waikato Sheds for all your shed needs. And until the next video, see you later.